Nobody can help me. Is there nobody to help me? Now that hurts. A man who has served this country, a professor, all the judges, him was told, being minister of this, minister of that, attorney general, Supreme Court judge, helped draft, whatever thing in the Eastern Central Africa, his hand is there. And no one can help him. That's very sad. So let's get together. I'm going to...
No, I am not going to wait for together.
Oh, okay. Let me
Today,
get it back.
I will go with you since you are not here tomorrow, and you call the police to demolish it in front of us. That's all. That's what the law says.
Let me... Can I give you to him
Yes,
again?
give it to me. Joanna, when you abolished, rather when you demolished those marks which this man had put in my land, did you wait for a day? Immediately I told you you did it, so you do it today, not tomorrow. But if you can't do it or he's busy, let us go with these reporters and pay for their going there, and we demolish it today, not tomorrow. You'll see present when they confirm it is his land, and we don't need anything. Anybody to talk to. You see, that's why people are corrupted. Instead of enforcing the law, they say we are going to do something else. Say we enforce the law, not have a meeting. He has told you I am the expert on this law, and I have written a book which is in 2 volumes on land evictions and protection of your land. As I talked about the right to self-help. When you did it, you are just helping me. You are not the one doing it. No, we are meeting at the land. The minister is very busy. The only time he has is today. So let us meet at the land, which you know very well, because you once evicted land grabbers there yourself. So, if you can't go there, I think the minister has a voice in this government. He will call the DPC of Kajansi and the Inspector General of Deputy, and he said, I am going there to help Kanyeihamba demolish this building, and the LC present when they confirm it is his land, and we don't need anything. Anybody to talk to. You see, that's why people are corrupted. Instead of enforcing the law, they say we are going to do something else. Say we enforce the law, not have a meeting. Ngambe nti Museveni welcome president wa Uganda. Yagamba nti ba police are the most corrupt. Bwe basinga kutya enguzi.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.